Dave Snyder here. It is the 16th day of March 2015, and just want to add a couple things real quick to the last video here. Okay, so you see how I have this picture. It's not where it originally was. I have it overlaid up here too, where it originally took place. But I've been building here this all kinds of stuff in this one exact spot. So I just keep putting. You can see how this pattern not only fits, like you can see that it fits. Oh, I gave it up already. Hold on a second. Let me turn this off and then just have this. I gotta show you this real quick. Okay, you see how it fits New Zealand and the islands and all this stuff right here. You see the number 7 shape that I always show. I point this out all the time. The number 7. I align a lot of stuff there. A lot of weather patterns around the planet Earth up here in the northern hemisphere, and everything will fit there all the time. Okay, so I just aligned this to the lunar south pole that I already had here. I mean, it's already, you see the lunar south pole is like up here, right here. Okay, I just aligned that picture right here over the top of the lunar south pole that I already had there. You can see that it's way up, it's above the list, above this overlay right here. It's up the list. Okay, so all I did was align that to the lunar south pole, and that's how it fits over. When I take the lunar south pole away, that's how it fits there. Okay, on the Earth, it just lines up with all on its own, just by aligning it to the lunar south pole only. But then check this out. I bring up the Mare Oriental Basin that I've already had up there too, and that's the one. Another one. I mean, like I said, they all hit like in the same spot. But just check it out. Look at the pattern. Like this edge especially, and then this right here too especially. I never really seen it. It's so clear. It's right there. I guarantee that's the same thing. It's just a little off to the side, but I'm not going to move anything. But I mean, I could probably move this weather pattern over a little bit, but we know weather moves a little bit anyway. So I'm just going to leave it right there. We can see that that's an oval shape, and it's the same oval in the same position as this is. It's just a little bit over to the side. We see that it's in the same. It's not oval this way, and this one's oval this way. They're oval the same way, right? And the same oval, the same shape of an oval as well. So that's there, and then we just go up the edge of this, and this is all these moon images are reversed. They're flipped over, okay, and already in place. All I gotta do is bring things up, and they'll all fit together. But look at the center. Look at this center. Ooh, wow, that's pretty nice. The whole center is like in there. You see this whole thing, okay? I do. And then you see the flow coming out. Here's that flow that I talked about at the black hole. Let me see what the black hole is going to look like when I bring that up here over this picture here. Let me turn off mauve. Go down my list right here. I've got a small screen. It's getting harder for me to see this. Fits right inside there. See the flow? See this flow that comes out this way? Look at it's in the same place. You see the same thing coming out of this right here, this shape on the land. And you see this angle here. I mean, it goes. Everything's created somewhere on the Earth from this hole, mother hole. I'm telling you, this was in the Atlantic Ocean right here. This pattern was, like I said a bunch of times, and like I said, every weather pattern fits in it. No matter where it's from, it seems to all fit in it. And they're showing it right in place where this would be, right there. You see the curve. They don't show Schrodinger there, but it's right in place. It is beautiful right there. Absolutely beautiful. So I just want to point that out. I mean, it's not just the lunar south pole, and it's not just the Imbrium Copernicus, and it's Mare Oriental. It's a lot of areas of the moon, ones that I haven't even worked with yet too. And you see that cone shape as well. That cone shape's there, right there. I could bring up Copernicus with this one, and it would fit in there, and Copernicus would probably be right in here. We should do that. I should do it real quick. Hope I'm right. If not, oh well. Sometimes you're wrong. Sometimes you know. That's the way it goes. I think I'm too far up here. Hurricane proof. That's way up my list. Okay, so a bit lower than this. Look at that. And it was not even in no way aligned to it. It's really close. You can still see the cone shape. That would be Copernicus. That red spot right there would be like Copernicus. You still see it fit there though. Because there's like this line that comes across. It's weird. In this impact, you see this like line. This is in a lot of weather patterns. It just stopped like this line across here, and it comes down like to a cone. And that's a common weather pattern on the Earth. Common. I have a lot of pictures of that same pattern from all over the planet that fit right in this cone shape, and it just kind of cuts off right here. It doesn't really cut off, but you can see there is like a cut, like a line right there. It goes across like arches right here. Okay, well, I mean that's a common weather pattern. Anyways, I gotta get to work. It's getting late in the day. Gotta get some shit done. So I just want to point that out. Have a great day, everybody.